Hello everyone, this is Maniramakrishna. So let's check the NPTEL. So NPTEL Maths. Uh, so week one. So week one mark test. We are checking the week one mark test of the math. Okay, for the math subject. So here the questions we have, the question and the answers. Okay, so in the analysis is not there, just a question and answer will be there. So please check the question and take the screenshot and check the answers and do yourself as a what the question and answer. Okay, so this is the question number one. Please read the question. Here the question is there. Okay, so two trains started 7 a.m. Okay, so related to the question aptitude. And the second question, please go through the second question. Student watched. Okay, so related to the aptitude. Okay, please check the question and the accepted answer. Now this is related to the mathematics. Okay, so aptitude reasoning only. So rear view, front view. So we need to get the answer. Okay, so accepted answer is 2 by 2. Okay, next the fourth question. Perim Perimeter of the circle. The square and a triangle equal. Which of the following statements true? Okay, so which of the following statements need to true, that we need to check. Okay, so accepted answer. Next, the fifth question. Please go through the fifth question and read and check the accepted answer. Okay, so which is the accepted. Next, the sixth question is related to the English. So just to check the question. As you grow older and injured to your heel or it. Okay, so heel, so small pronunciation same, but the spelling. Okay, so spelling we need to identify. Okay, next seventh question. So which is related to the aptitude. Sorry. So here the seventh question is there in the answer, and the eighth question we'll have. Okay, please go through the eighth question if you want to know. So take the screenshot and better understand what is the process. Okay. So this is a screen is not unable to take the PDF. If it is possible, PDF is I can put the PDF, but is in this website, uh, printing option is not it. Okay, only we can read. So if it whoever wanted to do the save this one, so take the screenshot and do prepare. Okay, so ninth question. Here's the 10th question. Okay, so 10th question is related to here. So here have the diagrams and accepted answer. Okay, so this is up one. Okay, so we need to get the answer. Next is the 11th question. Check the 11th question. This is the multiple, not the multiple choice question. So this is a numeric question. So we need to give the answer by using the okay by using the what we using. So we need to use the calcium. Okay. Sometimes it also starts. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So 12th question also fill in the blank question. So we need to do the numeric. Okay, calculator using. Okay. 13th question. So we go through the 13th question. So related to the paraboloid. And 14th question. Explain y plane. Okay. Curves. This also fill in the blanks question. And 15th question is the also fill in the blanks question. Please go through and check it in detail. So most of the questions will having the answers in the YouTube videos. Okay, so please check the Gate Mathematics website, and so there's already list is there. Okay, videos, so you can follow the videos and get benefited. So 17th and 18th questions are also is a numeric questions, and 19th question is also numeric question. Okay, and 20th question also numeric. So please go through the numeric question in detail and do the mathematics, then only you can get the answer. Okay, 20th question. Next to 21, 22 question. Okay, sorry, 22 question. Next 23rd question is the 24th question. 23rd and 24th are the fill in the blanks questions. Okay, so these fill in the blanks questions will doesn't having any negative marks. So if you do the any mathematical, so it's near to range will be there. Okay, that range we need to put the answer. Okay, if you attempt the if it didn't get marks means so no. Okay, so fill in the blanks doesn't having the negative marks. That thing you may understand. Okay, so multiple choice questions having the negative marks, but fill in the blanks doesn't having the negative marks in GATE examination. Okay, that's a good thing. Okay, 25th question and the 26th question. You can check. The 27th question is the 28th question. The 29th question related to the ordinary differential equations. And 13th question, so initial value problem. Okay, and 31 question we are having. So who are preparing for the other examinations? Okay, so like triple ECE, CSE, mechanical civil. So they also goes to these mathematics problems. So that also helpful to get the score. Okay, so this is a 32 question, 33 questions. 35, 36. Let me take the screenshot. Okay, so 36 question. Okay, so here is the question we're having the multi-answer question. Okay, so this is the multi-answer question. Okay, so you can see, so we need to put the here all the answers. Okay, so these type of questions we need to put the multi-answer question, means if we didn't put the one also we can get the negative ones. Okay, so we need two possible answers we need to place. Okay, so in the instructions they will give these questions multi questions are multiple choice questions or multi-answer question. Okay, this is a multi-answered question. Okay, so we need to take these three compulsory. Okay, this is a multi-answer example. So here is a 36th question. Here also one of the multi-answer question. So we have the two multiple answer question. Okay. So 38th question, 39th question we'll have. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. Here the fill in the blanks question, 2 marks question or 1 mark question. Okay. One is a 2, another is a 1. But in the examination, you will get the sequence. That is the first 2 marks question, then 1 mark question. Okay, for different topics it is mixed. Okay, there's a 46 question. Okay, the 47th question you can check is the fill in the blanks, 1 marks question. The 48 marks is just 2 marks question. 49th, the 50, 51, 52, and 53. So 54 we have 55, the 56th question, 57th question, so related to the linear programming, 58th question, 59th question, 60. Okay. So total 65 questions will be there in the GATE examination. So including the fill in the blanks, multi-choice answered, okay, MCQs. Okay, MCQs, MCS and fill in the blanks, three types. 63 and the 64. Okay, please hold and take the screenshot who are preparing. And this is 65 questions. Okay, these are the 65 questions of the GATE mathematics. So you can go through the GATE mathematics portal. So we'll having the go to if you explore. Okay, so if you click on the explore, if you module, so we'll having the subjects are there. Okay, so mark test, linear programming videos. Okay, so related videos will be there, so you can get benefited from this one. Okay, so better to do practice in maths, okay, for getting the good marks in any stream. Okay, that is better for. Anyhow, have a nice day. So please subscribe our channel if it is wanted to get the related videos, and if you like us, please share to others. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.